Hello everyone, welcome back to Initial Solution. In today's tutorial on using WinRAR, a powerful tool for compressing and extracting files. In this video, I will show you how to compress files into an archive and extract files from an existing archive. So let's get started. Upon opening WinRAR, you will see a simple interface. Here you can navigate through folders to locate your files. Click on Add to compress files in Archive. In the window, you can customize the archive settings. Choose the archive format, GIF or RAR. Set the destination path and specify an archive name. You can also set a password or enable encryption if needed. Click OK to create the archive. Now to extract files from an archive, simply double-click the archive file. This will open WinRAR with the contents displayed. Select the files you wish to extract by clicking on them. Click the Extract to button or Extract to in the main bar. Choose the destination folder and click OK to extract. WinRAR also offers additional features. For instance, you can test archives for errors, repair damaged archives, or split large archives into smaller parts for easier sharing. This option can be found in the toolbar or menu. And there you have it. You have learned the basics of using WinRAR to compress and extract files. Remember, WinRAR offers various customization options and additional features for managing your archives effectively. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching. This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.